In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a website in just 15 minutes using Squarespace. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can confidently create a stunning site. Let's dive in. First, log into your Squarespace account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign up. On the login page, you can even use your Google account for a quick and secure sign-in. Once you're logged in, click Create a Website. This is where the magic begins. You'll see a wide variety of templates to choose from. Picking the right template is important because it sets the foundation for your design and layout. Squarespace has templates for blogs, portfolios, online stores, and more. Take a moment to browse and pick the one that best fits your vision. When you found your match, click Start with this design. Now it's time to personalize it. Click Edit to open the site editor. Here you can customize your homepage, update text, replace images, and rearrange sections with the easy drag and drop tools. Introduce who you are, what you do, or what your business offers. Don't be afraid to experiment. Creativity is what makes your site stand out. You can also add more elements called blocks. These include images, videos, galleries, forms, and even calendars. Just click Add Block and choose the ones that best support your site's goals. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've built a fully functional and attractive website on Squarespace. As you get more comfortable, you can refine your design, adjust colors and fonts, and continue shaping your site until it feels perfect. There you have it, your very own website up and running in no time.